Okay, welcome to the Paddy's office. Please, sir, can we know who you are?
My name is just simply Paddy Anyatonwu. As simple as that. Ordinary Paddy.
Who is Paddy?
Paddy Anyatonwu.
Okay, there's something we noticed a few days ago that you went to Azumini. So what was that all about?
Those who promote tourism in Abia State. Abia is blessed with series of destinations.
Tell us more about it.
Azumini, per East local government, is the only river in Africa that is blue. Nature is wonderful. The source of creation made it blue. So, and people here do not know that we'll have such a destination. For me, it's a hand of God. So what I'm trying to do is to take people who haven't been there before, who don't even know that there is a place called Azumini, and to bring both inbound and outbound tourists to come out Abia State and see what the source of creation has done for us.
Okay, but have you considered or looked into the implications of taking people into such rivers? Like, do you know, maybe some persons might be scared of the river, some persons might not know how to swim. How did you put that into place before mobilizing them?
We did not go there to swim. Those people who can swim did, but we provided life jackets. Interestingly, the community do not allow flying boats to ply the river because of the fact that it is anti-aquatic nature of the river. So you can only go there with canoe, what we call in our local parlance, oboe pepe.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what motivated you? What
motivated me is that oil is failing. And it's an established fact that tourism is the second largest earner of foreign exchange the world over. So I'm trying to plug in my state to embrace tourism so that our IGR will go up and people will be happy. The world has been so much commercialized that man must spend money to be alive. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay, so the people you took there, do you try to find out how they felt?
Oh, if you go to Facebook on March 6th evening, Mark Zuckerberg must have noticed that there's a place called Abia State and there's a place called Azumini, because before they allow a post to go through, they always go through it. My people, those that went, the 30 people that went to Azumini on March 6th actually saturated the internet space.
Okay, do you do this because you enjoy doing it or you just want to get something done? I really want to really get the fact about this.
This was personally sponsored, self-sponsored. I'm doing it for because.
Oh, you sponsored it yourself?
100%, not government. 100%.
And you want to get government attention?
I have gotten it, honestly. I've gotten it. After I've received some.
Tell us more about that.
They have asked me, Paddy, what next?
So right now, what next?
What next is that before today, there are 6 beaches along that corridor. I was able to go to, I was on water for 10 minutes to get to the first beach.
You mean you took a tour on the water?
On Owe Pepe.
Oh, okay.
So when
also the Blue River, or some parts are blue, some are white.
You need to come to this place because there's on that river they have a roundabout.
Excuse me?
Sure.
Tell us about it.
The roundabout they have. That place is so big, Remember, in case you don't know, Jajo Popo he was ferried out of that place.
Okay, so that same river.
Yes.
That river must be very important.
The river is blessed that it was there that the defunct glass industry gets their raw material. Okay,
I want to ask you something.
Right.
Is there anything you noticed when you went there that you don't like, that beats your heart?
Nature is intelligent. Everything is fine. It's not man-made. The Azumini Blue River is not man-made, so nothing can be wrong about it.
So who do you think that made it?
The source of creation, created that way.
Okay.
So nothing is wrong.
And everything is perfect.
Yes.
So you want to get government attention?
I was told that they told us that nobody from Azumini can be drowned by any river in the world.
Why?
The nature.
Because of the reason, because of the Blue River itself?
All of them are swimmers.
Oh, okay.
So they said that once they're from here, the river protects them anywhere they go.
Okay.
This I'm yet to verify.
Okay, you're yet to verify. But did they ask them question there? Because I
question.
noticed also you were with the king.
The river, yeah, the king, the professor is an interesting person. See, the interesting about tourism is that it is smoke-free. As we went to Azumini on March 6, we spent money. We bought 880. We bought pami. We bought drinks. We bought cartons of drinking bottled water. We bought so much. So what happened? We hired jacket. We hired Uwepepe. We paid people that actually allotted the Uwepepe.
So what does this tell you?
Economy improving. We went with 30. Just imagine I am taking 1,000 people to Azumini at the same time. Remember, you need to think about how many vehicles am I going to hire to take that.
Now, you said you want to get the Abia state government involved into this, right? Or their attention. Yes. What exactly do you wish they do?
What I want to achieve, one, is to assist the government to get a tourism roadmap or a tourism master plan for Abia State. Before today, Azumini River was witnessing 300 expatriates on a weekly basis to Azumini. So there was exchange of foreign exchange. So, and that place has been abandoned for a long time.
How many years?
From the trees that grew around the beach,
the vicinity.
I would say 20 years.
For 20 years, it's been abandoned. Did they tell you any story what happened? Why?
Insecurity, right.
Insecurity.
So, but I've gotten a buy-in of government to look at how I challenged the king, the Professor Edward. I said, why can't the people of Azumini organize a vigilante? Okay. Why won't you lie with Abia State government, since we have Homeland Ministry, to send you these people to guide this place? We need to make money, and if money is made in Azumini, people will benefit more.
Honestly, I can see your passion.
Because
if
experts come to Azumini, they enter your pay, they pay. The money comes to you first before it comes to government. You can only pay taxes to government. So I am asking, though I've done a buy-in, I'm going to the next stage of what can be done. And when I went to the beach, I saw where they were roasting fish in those days. I saw slabs, seats around that place. So it has been done before, and we can do it again.
We can revive it.
The governor of Abia State is interested in what I am doing.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So what more do you think we need to know?
I'll continue to put pressure. He's a very visible. I'll harass him. I will go to him. I will kneel down. I will cry. I will do everything.
So you will cry?
I will cry. I will do everything humanly possible.
We can see your passion. You're truly involved.
Yes, I am.
You love what you're doing.
I don't have passion for that. I am involved.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we can see.
When we use the word passion, I don't understand it. Involvement is better.
Oh, okay. You're fully involved.
I'm fully.
We can see. Yes. So I think that will be all for now. All right, thank you so much for watching this episode with Paddy. Yes. Bye for now.